What's going on, everybody? O'Neal Parker here, looking at a potential flip. Waiting on a wholesaler. He's supposed to show me around. He has under contract. This one definitely gonna need some work. Just look on the outside. This is at least 8,000, if not at least about 8,000. Let me know what y'all think. All right, see that roof? It's terrible. You need all new plywood underneath there. Brand new roof. We got this over here. It's bad. That's real bad. But typically that's what we look for. The worst house and the best neighborhoods. This neighborhood is not it's alright. It's not like a top-notch neighborhood. As y'all can see, they got some new construction down there. Brand new house. It's an older neighborhood, old house there. Older house there, but as you can see, it's a very old neighborhood. Everybody keep their yard up, keep their yard clean. They got a brand new neighborhood, like right across the street from this neighborhood. They have like some big houses. I was looking at MLS, 300,000, like 500, 3,000 square foot, 5 bedroom, 4 bath houses. So they have big houses in this area. So not really too sure about the square footage on this, but if y'all stay tuned, I'll give y'all a little tour of the inside again whenever the guy gets here. So we just waiting on him. Y'all stay rocking with me, and then I'll let y'all know if we pick up this house. Depending on the numbers. That's what really matters at the end of the day. Numbers matter. So make sure you run your numbers, and make sure you take a little stroll around the neighborhood. And it's also in a flood zone, so that's a big hit as well. So it'll be harder to sell than a house that's not in a flood zone. So y'all stay tuned, I'll show you the inside. God damn.
But you know what? What's good about this? When I back that trailer up to that door right there, that garage door, all of it come right out, right in it.
How long has it been vacant?
Cool. I'm thinking about 4 years, they told me. Well, I was gonna get started when me and her first hooked up.
Yeah.
I had my idea, but
It's your girlfriend's house?
yeah. I'm not a house salesman. Don't think I'm cheerleading for this shit. But actually, the house got a lot of good potential.
Yeah.
And it's in a decent
Yeah,
area.
it does.
It's just that the dude that was here placed a repair in the roof. You know, I get a little leak.
Yeah.
You repair the roof. You know, you put a whole nother roof on top of it and stop the leak. But he just used as quicksilver. That shit hold for a few days and he give up.
Yeah.
Check out the rig.
And boy, when I see these floors, I could have cried.
Oh yeah, they done.
Oh, them floors, there's some expensive floors, the one we was walking on just now.
Yeah.
As you see, I got that old ice box. You wouldn't want to fool with that ice box.
No, not at all.
No, I got that out of here. I'm gonna get that big old machine out of here. That thing right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that out of here. Got a little bit more room than you had the first time, huh?
This is 3 bedrooms or 3 or 4 bedrooms?
It's two, but
But I ain't never seen no floors this bad. God damn.
Well, you know, Miss Marion, she was sick, and the guy that was here, he acted like he just didn't give up.
Yeah.
So I've seen them like this before, and took a little work to bring them back.
Think you can bring some floors back like that?
Not these floors.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
Nah.
They got that bamboo flooring that looks like that,
Right.
and that bamboo floor is a lot better than that. They last longer, and they're easy to keep up.
It's rough.
Yeah, a little rough.
Oh, I ain't see the bathroom.
Yeah.
All the way in the corner.
I ain't going that far.
And that other bed bathroom is, you said like on the outside by
In the garage where we came in
garage.
at.
Yeah.
That's for like you throwing a party in the gizmo.
Right.
Shine your light in there.
You got some clothes in that, man?
No, I was trying to see if they had some money in there.
All right. They got foundation issues?
No foundation issues. These floors are swole from that.
No, I was talking about the cracks in the wall.
Oh no, ain't no foundation issues. That's from all the rain and shit.
Mm-hmm. You still got some blinds in the window.
Hey, check it. What?
Ooh.
You know what I'm kind of thinking?
What's that?
I think somebody got familiar with this place, some homeless person,
Mm-hmm.
and was going back there sleeping.
That's what I was saying when we first came.
That's why I closed that door like I did. Cut that shit off.
Yeah.
That's the second time that I found that door like that.
How much you think it'll cost to fix this up?
You want me to be honest?
Yeah, I want to hear what you think.
Wait, hold up. I'm the wrong person to ask.
I'm just asking.
I'm just being honest. Actually, it depends on how you're gonna fix it.
Make it look good, like a brand
To
new
make
house.
it look good, like a brand new house.
Yeah, what you
now,
think?
I gave it to her like this. This side of the roof ain't bad.
Yeah.
That side is bad.
You
I would.
gotta change the whole thing though.
Right.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
I would change the rafters,
Oh, you gotta change it all.
Yeah,
It's
to
done.
bring it to value.
You got mold on the wood.
but not on this side. The wood never got wet.
But you might as well change it all. You gonna change
Well,
that?
just change it all. Then.
No.
Case closed.
You gotta change the rafters. Then you gotta put plywood. Then you gotta put the felt. Then you gotta put...
They got that particle board they use on roofs nowadays. They don't use plywood no more. You ever seen that particle wood?
Can't say that.
I'm gonna show you. They got a sheet of it right back there.
Yeah.
That's what they use on roofs nowadays. The particle board.
So what you think, man?
And this floor, like I said, I would do it with the bamboo. You ever see that bamboo? It look like this.
Yeah.
It's tongue and groove. It goes together. After you get it down, you put the acrylic on it, and you smooth it out. You never got no problems. But this here, the water hitting is swole.
Mm-hmm.
That's that old red oak down there.
Some expensive stuff.
But this stuff is very expensive. That red oak.
That's 3/4?
No, that's red oak.
No, I'm talking about thickness.
Yeah. I think it's about
Yeah, 3/4.
3/4. I think, or maybe a ½ inch.
I got you.
If she wouldn't have got sick, this house would have never been in this shape.
She stayed here 4 years ago?
Yeah, so they told me.
Gotcha.
But I would, I was getting ready to get on it myself. She didn't want me to touch it.
You just gonna keep it?
Actuality, I was gonna rent it.
Oh yeah.
I left stuff laying out there in the yard and come back and found it.
Damn.
So now here lately, you know, little things like somebody been going back there napping.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's just something that just started.
Recently.
Yeah. But then I shut it down when I did that door like I did it. I don't know, man.
How much you gonna rent it for?
With this house,
Yeah.
once I clean it up and everything, but shit, I did about $1,200 a month, $1,500.
You've been making some money, huh?
Well, that's what they're going for, like this, and in this type of neighborhood, because pretty much it's a secure neighborhood.
Right. This is a nice neighborhood.
And a lot of people, as I be working around here, they be passing fucking, excuse me.
Oh, you good?
when I be working out there, hey, you get ready to move in? It's about that sure look a lot better now. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah.
What kind of work you do?
I'm retired.
All right, all right.
I came out of the Marine Corps. I worked for the fire department for a few minutes. And that's that. Anybody home?